Hello everyone, this is so nice. I have been trying to make a profit, which I've never done yet in e-commerce things, for the last like 12 years. And when I saw the ad for things going on here with the EBS stuff, I was hesitant because the company that I was just working in, the Fair Trade Commission, shut it down. So I've just lost thousands of dollars. I'm okay. Because I've told myself I wasn't going to spend anything I can't literally not afford to lose. So I mean, hey, it is what it is. We're trying to, the people who have been affected are trying to just get refunds from that company and whatever way they're going to do it in the end. But it's going to take a few years, if not longer, because I know that's just how it's all going to work. And that too is if that company doesn't declare bankruptcy anyway, so then it's just isn't it. But so I quit thinking about it. That happened a week-ish before I started this, and I said, you know what? I have positivity, and I have the more people I was talking to and visiting with about this whole system. You guys you're there. We have training. We have live people training us, not just over the computer, online courses and supposedly online live via things, but still, it sounds incredible. It's a very, very straightforward system, and there's a lot of help. I love it.